This G.SKILL Flare X5 32GB kit delivers very fast 6000 MHz performance that noticeably improves system responsiveness in modern games and demanding applications. The dual-module design provides a generous total capacity for multitasking heavy workloads, creative projects, and future game titles without frequent memory upgrades. It is tuned for stable operation on current desktop platforms, offering reliable boot behavior and smooth performance once configured correctly in the system firmware. The low-profile heat spreaders make installation easier in builds with large air coolers while still keeping temperatures under control during sustained use. Build quality feels solid with a sturdy heat spreader and wear-resistant finish that should hold up well through repeated installs and long-term operation. Overall, this kit offers an excellent blend of speed, capacity, and compatibility that makes it a strong choice for a new performance-oriented build or an upgrade.